Okay, here I am in Google Docs, or Google Drive they call it now, and I'm on this spreadsheet, parking lot numbers 2, and it just represents the northern corner of your parking lot with the various things in it, and I'll put numbers in here, 5, 6, 5, arrow key to go to the next one, 2, 3, 7, arrow key to go to the next one, 2, 5, 6. Basically, it's exactly the same as any spreadsheet, like an Excel spreadsheet, very similar. And I'll just go from here. Now I've just been putting that into the spreadsheet. Just a couple of things. Obviously, all your parking lots need to be the same size to spread on the spreadsheet, and you'll have to bend your map around the spreadsheet, but that shouldn't be an issue. They should pretty much run like that anyway. There are a case here where you seem to have larger parking lots, and all they are is just if you just drag on two shapes like that and then merge the cells, they're merged. Similarly, they're merged there for these headers, merged, and you can change the colors. At the moment I've automatically colored them, and a lot of the numbers are automatically numbered just by adding 1 or 2 to them. So but you can see I can carry on putting things there. And this whole sheet, if I go File, Publish to the web, I don't want the entire document, I just want this sheet, which is sheet 1, and it comes up and it gives me this very long URL. Just go along. It also gives this GID equals 0 and single equals true. You don't want that. You can just copy this section here. If you go Control Copy, and then I've already publishing it, so it's automatically republish when changes are made. Okay, so I'll shut that down now, and we'll go into Zara, which is here. And I'm zoomed in at 50% here because it's a big thing on the screen to see. And here on layer 1 or mouse off, I've got a placeholder, and if I type in that body there and just go Control V, that's that same one that I'm using, just so that's the source file. And then you got to have the height equals and the width equals and scrolling equals 0. The width and the height can be a bit difficult to work out to start off with, but it's not that difficult anyway. So I'll just go Apply with that, and if we just go and preview it, here we are in the preview, and you can now see that spreadsheet. Move this up a bit so you can see that spreadsheet there. Okay, and these are the changes that we've made. So I'm happy with that. Now you want to do a map over the top of that, and in that case here that is, and I'll switch off the mouse off layer at the moment, and this is a map. And what I'll do is I'll undo that then. Let's go back into the map layer, create a rectangle, make it red, Control B to send it to the back, and you can see this map consists of a rectangle with holes cut out of it, basically so the spreadsheet on the lower layer can come through it. But then obviously on here you can have anything you want to add on here. This is your fence. This is only a bit that really shows on that, but these are the roads, and you could highlight them a bit more if you wanted. Obviously you don't want to make them black, because if you want to print them out you're going to be using a lot of black ink. And let's see if we go back and turn the mouse off layer on again, and I'll click on there next, and this time we'll preview it again and see how that looks. There's the map, and then pops in with the move this down again. There's your map, and it pops in with your overlay on the top. So you can see. So this is the map, and these are the holes in the map that allow the spreadsheet to show through. Okay, so we shut that down. Now, how did I make the map? Okay, let's just turn the map off for a minute. We can't see it. I'll go on here, I'll edit this placeholder. All I want to do is regenerate a placeholder. Image automatically apply. And this time you can see that that has got a placeholder. So if I go then into the map layer, you can see now how I've used that map to create these. It's basically I've just created a rectangle like that, and then gone along to sections that match that in size. I'll make it a different colour so you can see. And just Control Shift 2 and then Control 2 to subtract that shape. So you've now got that shape over the top. Anyway, I hope that's clear. Okay, so that's the way I'd do it. One final thing, I don't know if it's worth trying to do. Let's go back to the parking lot, come down and put test to see if updated, and then we can then go, I'll just go like it. You don't have to, but I find that if you go publish to the web, it actually just publishes anyway. I'll close that again, then go back into Xara, then go back into preview. Oh, it hasn't updated yet. I don't know if I can go F5, whether that will do anything to it. Now it takes a few minutes, but eventually that will come through and be checked. So we can just see there, test to see if updated. So that's working nicely. Anyway, I hope that helped. This is Egg. All the best. Cheers. Goodbye.